Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this holiday inspired makeup look, perfect to wear this time of the year and on Christmas Day. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids with an eyeshadow primer and set that primer with a matte eyeshadow that has a color very similar to my skin tone. Next, with a blending brush, I'm grabbing a soft orange eyeshadow from my Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and I'm going to apply it on my crease, blending it in circular motions. Then, with a precise brush, I'm going to apply this brown shade on the outer corners of my lid. I'm now grabbing a darker brown with the same brush and apply it on the same place to intensify that eyeshadow. I'm blending all these colors with a blending brush. Now I'm going to spray a little bit of fixing spray on a small flat brush. And I'm grabbing this shimmer brown eyeshadow and I'm applying that on the top of the matte brown shadows that I've previously applied. With a flat definer brush, I'm going to apply this matte black eyeshadow close to my lash lines to make them look fuller. And I'm smoking that line with a small brush. With a flat brush, I'm applying this champagne shadow on my lid. I'm grabbing this brown shade and apply that on my lower lash line, blending everything at the end. I'm picking up these two shadows and apply them on my inner corner with a small brush. To finish up my eyes, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. Moving on to my face, I'm going to first start by spraying this Caudalie beauty water all over my face, let it dry, and after that, I'm applying my Makeup Forever mattifying primer. Today, I'm going to use my Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation and apply it with a damp sponge. Next, I'm applying my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer with a blending brush to have a more natural look. I'm also applying concealer on the corners of my mouth to help with my lipstick application. Now I'm using this concealer palette and I'm going to apply concealer in the areas that I need more coverage. To set my makeup in place, I'm going to apply this powder all over my face. For bronzer, I will take this on my cheeks, forehead and jawline. And for my blush, I'm using my Dallas blush from Benefit, and this color goes very well with red lipstick colors. To set my eyebrows in place, I'm going to use the soap brows with a little bit of fixing spray, and I'm brushing them upwards. I'm blending my eyeshadows one last time to make sure everything is well blended and I don't have any harsh lines. For the lips, I'm going to line my lips first with a lip liner and then I'm applying liquid lipstick. When I line my lips, I like to start on the center, dragging the line to the corners of my mouth, and after that, I fill in all my lips. And I do the same thing when I apply my lipstick. To correct some mistakes, I'm applying my cream concealer with a flat brush and set it with translucent powder. On top of my lips, I'm going to apply a clear lip gloss. To finish this look, I'm going to apply my fixing spray and highlight my face. And that's it, this is the finished look. I hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching and Merry Christmas. Bye!